Hello guys, welcome to my channel. What is the topic? Today we are going to talk about just in time. Let's talk about the meaning first. Just in time is a production and inventory management strategy in operations management that aims to improve efficiency and reduce waste by receiving goods or materials only as they are needed in the production process. This approach minimizes inventory levels and associated carrying costs. Let's talk about the objectives. 1. Reduce stored items. JIT aims to keep the inventory as small as possible. That means only storing what's needed for production or sales, so there's no extra clutter or storage costs. 2. Avoid all waste. The goal here is simple. Stop wasting time, materials, or effort. Everything should be used wisely to avoid unnecessary expenses. 3. Make better products. JIT focuses on improving product quality so customers are happy and there's no need to fix or redo anything. 4. Work more efficiently. Efficiency is key in JIT. It's about doing things quickly and smartly without unnecessary steps or delays. 5. Spend less money. By reducing waste and working efficiently, JIT helps companies save money on production and storage. 6. Adapt to changes. JIT systems are designed to be flexible. This means they can quickly adjust if customer demands or needs change. 7. Work well with suppliers. A good relationship with suppliers is important in JIT. They need to deliver materials on time to keep things running smoothly. 8. Keep customers happy. The ultimate goal is to meet customer needs by delivering quality products on time, keeping them satisfied and loyal. Let's talk about the characteristics. 1. Make based on demand. In JIT, production only happens when there's a real demand. This avoids making too much or too little. 2. Keep less stock. Instead of storing large amounts of inventory, JIT focuses on keeping just enough to get the job done. 3. Move items when needed. Materials and products only move through the process when they're actually needed. This keeps things simple and avoids delays. 4. Improve work regularly. JIT encourages constant improvement. Teams work together to find better ways to get things done. 5. Ensure high quality. Maintaining quality is a top priority in JIT. It helps avoid mistakes and keeps customers happy. 6. Stay connected with suppliers. Close communication with suppliers ensures that materials arrive on time and are ready for use. 7. Involve all workers. JIT values teamwork. Everyone contributes to making the process better and more efficient. 8. Stop wasting resources. The focus is on using resources wisely. Time, materials, and money are all saved in JIT. Simplify work steps. Processes are streamlined in JIT to make them easy to follow and reduce unnecessary complexity. 10. Use helpful technology. Technology plays a big role in JIT. It helps track inventory, manage schedules, and ensure everything runs smoothly. Let's talk about the advantages. 1. It reduces inventory costs by minimizing storage needs. 2. It improves cash flow by avoiding excess inventory. 3. It minimizes waste and overproduction. 4. It enhances product quality by addressing defects immediately. 5. It increases efficiency and productivity in operations. 6. It provides flexibility to adapt to changing customer demands. 7. And it strengthens relationships with suppliers through close collaboration. Let's talk about the disadvantages. 1. It creates a high dependency on suppliers. 2. It is vulnerable to supply chain disruptions. 3. It lacks buffer inventory for unexpected demand surges. 4. Its implementation can be difficult and costly. 5. There's a risk of inconsistent quality from suppliers. 6. It may not suit industries with highly variable demand. 7. It can increase transaction and logistics costs. Let's talk about the principles of just-in-time. 1. Producing based on customer demand, known as the pull system. 2. Eliminating all forms of waste. 3. Continuously improving processes through Kaizen. 4. Ensuring quality at the source to prevent defects. 5. Standardizing work processes for consistency. 6. Optimizing workplace layouts for better efficiency. 7. Building strong supplier partnerships for timely deliveries. 8. And involving employees in process improvements. That's all for today, guys. Please like and share this video to your friends. Let's again meet in our next video. Have a good day.